Hey there, foodies and health enthusiasts. Welcome back to Benefits Bites. Today we're venturing beyond the realm of deliciousness and into the world of potent plants, specifically the mighty oregano. But we're not just talking about sprinkling it on pizza anymore. Today, we're diving deep into oregano oil, a concentrated extract with some serious health claims. Oregano oil is made by extracting the powerful compounds from oregano leaves. It's a potent liquid, so a little goes a long way. But before we start drizzling it on everything, not recommended, let's separate the facts from the hype and explore the potential benefits of oregano oil. Benefit 1. The Antibacterial All-Star. Ever get a nasty stomach bug that leaves you feeling like a deflated balloon? Oregano oil might be your new best friend. Studies suggest it has powerful antibacterial properties that can fight off some common bacterial foes. Think of it as a tiny army of oregano warriors protecting your gut from unwanted invaders. Benefit 2. Fungus among us? Not today. Feeling itchy and uncomfortable? Fungal infections can be a real drag. Oregano oil might offer some relief. Research suggests it has anti-fungal properties that can help combat certain fungal issues like athlete's foot. But remember, oregano oil is not a replacement for professional medical advice. If you suspect a fungal infection, consult your doctor. Benefit 3. The Anti-Inflammatory Avenger. Feeling achy and sore after a workout, or maybe just from carrying groceries? Oregano oil might be a natural pain reliever. Studies suggest it has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation and discomfort. Think of it as a natural pain reliever, minus the side effects of some medications. Benefit 4. Potential immunity booster, optional. Feeling under the weather? While oregano oil isn't a magic shield, it might offer some protection. Some research suggests its antibacterial and antioxidant properties could potentially support your immune system in fighting off illness. Remember, a healthy lifestyle with a balanced diet is key for a strong immune system. Important disclaimer. Now, a word of caution. Oregano oil is potent, and it's not for everyone. It can irritate the skin and shouldn't be ingested directly. Always consult a healthcare professional before using oregano oil, especially if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have any pre-existing medical conditions. So there you have it. Oregano oil, a potent extract with some promising health benefits. From battling bacteria to potentially reducing inflammation, oregano oil might be a natural health booster worth exploring. Have you tried oregano oil? What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more Benefits Bites. We'll be exploring the fascinating world of natural remedies and their potential benefits, so stay tuned.